Hi there, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today's conversation is about the return on investment you receive from your legal marketing. And most lawyers don't really think about a return on investment on any activity, let alone when it comes to legal marketing. So let's start by really defining what return on investment, or ROI, really means. A return on investment means that every dollar you invest should return at least $1 plus to you for that effort or for that investment. So if you invest, say, $1,000 in a website, it needs to return $1,001 in new business in order to have a positive return on investment or a positive ROI. When we talk about marketing with our clients, what we look for is a 10 times return on investment. So that same $1,000 investment in your website should return $10,000 in new business to you. Now, what this means is that you have to be able to track the business that comes in as a result of each effort you put forth in marketing. And this is something that is kind of, on the cutting edge when it comes to law firm marketing, because most people don't think about tracking their marketing. But we have a golden rule in my firm, and that golden rule is if you can't measure it, don't do it. So bus stop bench advertising, for example. You put your face and a telephone number and a call to action on a bus stop bench. You have no idea with any certainty how many people have seen that ad. And you have no idea with any certainty how many people call as a direct result of that ad. I mean, you can certainly put a specialized phone number on the ad so that you know which ad people are seeing when they call, but you have no idea whether that ad is successful or not based on the number of people that go by there. Unless you do some very, very specific focused measurement, you're not going to be able to tell accurately what the return is on that investment and how successful that specific ad was. So we like to look at highly targeted, focused marketing methods that provide a positive return on investment. Now, everything you do has a return, or whether it's positive or negative, it has a return. So we also have to compute the time that you spend on any marketing initiative. So if you spend 2 hours getting ready for a speech, and the opportunity cost of those 2 hours was $250 an hour, if that's 2 hours you couldn't bill to a client, that's a $500 investment right there. You fly to the place where you have to make the speech, and you spend a day making the speech. That's about, say, $2,000 in the time for the day, and the time flying also needs to be computed. That's another 2 hours. So you're looking at about $4,000 to $5,000 total investment, plus the cost of your plane ticket and everything else. Let's just call it a $5,000 total investment. If, as a result of that speech, you put 35 people on your mailing list, and 3 of them become clients, and each of them bills, say, each of them you bill $10,000, that's $30,000. So that activity became a 6-time return on investment, and you still have more folks on your database, so I'm willing to bet it's going to return at least 10 times to you over the long run. Each of your marketing initiatives must be measurable in this fashion. You must go through this exercise with each marketing initiative. If you don't do it, or you can't do it, then you shouldn't do it. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more great tips just like these, you can visit me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.